Okay, let's take a look at this problem. Want to find the mean, and this is group data. This has a range of values from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Okay. Again, you need to download my group data descriptive statistics. And now that we got a range, like that first one is 0 to 10, then I put 0 in the lower class limit, 10 in the upper class limit, and our frequency is 3. This one's 10 to 20, so I put 10 in the lower class, 20 in the upper class, and 2, 20 to 30, 10, 30 to 40, 4, 40 to 50, excuse me, 4, 50 to 60, 7, 60 to 70, 15, 70 to 80, 6, 80 to 90, 3, 90 to 100, 2. Okay, so let me double check on my numbers. 0, 10, 20, 90, 100. Okay, these all go by 10, so it's easy to check there. 3, 10, 3, 2, 10, 4, 4, 7, 15, 6, 3, 2. Okay, so that all verifies. We want to find the mean. So our answer would be 51.25.